Western Union app not working. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. One of the main reasons your Western Union application might not be working is because you have not updated your app. Head over to your Play Store and search for Western Union. If you see Update beside the application's name, tap on Update and update your app. Once you have done that, head over to your settings. Here scroll below onto Apps and search for Western Union. Now under App Info page, you have to tap onto Storage and clear the data if you have any. Before that, also make sure that you remember your credentials. Now once done, see if this fixes your problem. If you are still facing that problem, long tap onto your app and uninstall this application from your device. Tap onto OK, then reinstall it and get logged into your account, and that will definitely fix your problem. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.